So far in this series, we've been generating infographics using plain text prompts. We describe everything in one sentence, and the AI creates the visual. But as things get more complex, the results become inconsistent, the layout changes, and sometimes the AI just guesses wrong. So in this video, we're going to improve how we write prompts, not by removing prompts, but by structuring them. Section 1. Plain text prompts. Let's start with a typical prompt. Create a clean weather infographic for Thailand showing Bangkok 33 degrees Celsius sunny, Chiang Mai 30 degrees Celsius cloudy, and Phuket 31 degrees Celsius rainy. Use a modern layout with weather icons and clear labels. This works, but everything is mixed together. Cities, temperature, conditions, all in one sentence. Section 2. The problem. When everything is written like this, the structure is unclear. The AI has to interpret, and small changes can break the layout. Without structure, the AI fills in the gaps, and sometimes it fills them wrong. Section 3. Structured prompts. Json. So, instead of mixing everything together, we separate two things. Instructions, data. We still use a prompt, but now we organize the data, and we use Json for that. Section 4, side-by-side test. Let's test this. Same data, same goal, different structure. Plain text. Create a clean weather infographic for Thailand, showing Bangkok 33 degrees Celsius sunny, Chiang Mai 30 degrees Celsius cloudy, and Phuket 31 degrees Celsius rainy. Use a modern layout with weather icons and clear labels. Structured version. Create a clean weather infographic using the data below. Use a modern layout with weather icons and large readable labels. Bangkok, temp, 33 degrees Celsius, weather sunny, Chiang Mai, temp, 30 degrees Celsius weather, cloudy Phuket, EMP 31 degrees Celsius weather rainy. Same data, different structure. Section 5, what you'll notice now, look at the results. The plain text version adds elements you didn't ask for, changes icons between outputs, rewrites titles, adds extra descriptions. The structured version keeps the same layout every time, keeps the same icon style, keeps the same title format. Only the data changes. The difference is not the data, it's the structure. Without structure, the AI fills in the gaps. With structure, there are no gaps to fill. Structure in, structure out. Every time. Section 6, Json update test. Now watch this. We change just one value. Temp, 35 degrees Celsius, generate again. Nothing else changes. I didn't rewrite the prompt, I just changed the data. Section 7, data versus style. Now here's the most important part. Data and design are not the same thing. Data is what you show. Style is how it looks. Data. Fruit mango, price, 75 baht. Style, VS layout. Vintage texture. Brushstroke headers. Mango illustrations. Data tells the AI what to show. Style tells the AI how to show it. Design style is not data. It's instructions. Section 8. Real example. Mango smoothie menu. Now let's apply this to something real. Create a vintage-style split comparison infographic for a mango smoothie menu using the data below. Use a two-column VS layout, textured paper background, brushstroke headers in green and orange, illustrated mango smoothies, a center divider with a VS badge, ingredient bullet lists, price badges, and a Thai cafe poster aesthetic. Failing style description. For health ingredients, mango plus ice, mango plus yogurt, mango plus coconut water price, 75 baht, label, healthy and fresh Thai style. Description, sweet and tasty ingredients, ripe mango, evaporated milk, syrup and sugar, a little salt, price 65 baht, label. Thai style lovers, same structure, different data. You're not redesigning the layout every time, you're just swapping the data. If you want to explore more workflows like this, check out the AiTLDR school community. AiTLDR is a creative hub that makes AI simple, visual, and actionable. Inside, you'll find tutorials, prompt packs, experiments, and real workflows. Section 9, the big idea. We're not removing prompts, we're improving them. Plain text mixes everything together. Structured prompts separate instructions and data. And at a deeper level, Json can even control layout. Section 10, full workflow instructions. Data, Json. To infographic to animated visual to video. JSON doesn't replace prompts, it organizes them. And once your data is structured, everything becomes easier to generate. Structure your input, and you control the output. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AiTLDR tutorials and experiments. And if you want to go deeper into AI workflows, prompt systems, and creative tools, you can join the AiTLDR school community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.